How to resize your photo to fit the Instagrams without cropping. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. To resize your photo to fit the Instagram, you can follow these steps depending upon your device. The first could be using Instagram's built-in tool. For this, first of all, open your Instagram and then tap on the plus icon. This way you will open the create post. Now select the photo that you want to upload. Pinch to zoom out until the entire image fits with the frame. Instagram supports aspect ratios between 4 is to 5 and 1.91 is to 1. Once your image fits cropping, proceed with your post. Or the next step would be using the photo editing applications such as Canva. For this, open your Canva and select the Instagram post template. This is for the square post or set custom dimensions for portrait. It could be 1080 is to 1350 pixels or landscape. Once you have chosen the appropriate Instagram template, then you can proceed for uploading your photos, and by adjusting the size and adding the borders, you can export and upload to Instagram. However, if you're using PC for editing and posting, you can even adopt for Adobe Lightroom. This way, you can crop and resize using aspect ratio tool and select 5 is to 1 or 1.91 is to 1 depending upon your post type. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.